Цель уничтожена.
Russian aerospace forces, missile troops and artillery launch massive fire attacks at the units of the armed forces of Ukraine at all operational directions. 8 Ukrainian tanks, 13 infantry combat vehicles, 11 other armored vehicles, and over 150 Ukrainian servicemen have been eliminated within unsuccessful offensive of the 24th, the 28th Mechanized, the 46th Air Mobile, and the 60th Infantry Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Myrnoe, Sukhoy Stavok, Belogorka, Bruskinskoye, Olgino in Kherson region, and Ternovy Pody in Nikolaev region at the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction. High-precision attacks launched by Russian aviation at the temporary deployment points of the 53rd, the 54th, and the 110th Mechanized Brigades, the 128th Territorial Defense Brigade, and the 68th Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Seversk, Verkhnekamenskoye, Nikolskoye, Avdiivka, Novokalinovo, Petrovskoye, Novosolka, and Vremivka in Donetsk People's Republic have resulted in the elimination of up to 250 Ukrainian servicemen and over 20 units of military equipment. The positions of the 65th Mechanized and the 68th Chaser Infantry Brigades near Novosolovka and Dobropolye in Zaporozhye region, up to 70 Ukrainian servicemen and 5 units of military equipment have been eliminated as a result of high-precision strikes of the Russian Air Force. Massive fire attacks have been launched at the manpower and military equipment of the 14th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Dvurechnaya, Balakleya and Kupiansk in Kharkov region. The enemy has lost up to 150 Ukrainian servicemen and over 10 units of military equipment. Combat and temporary deployment positions of the 25th Airborne Brigade, the 9th National Guard Regiment, the 56th and the 61st Mechanized Infantry Brigades of Ukrainian Armed Forces, the 103rd Territorial Defense Brigade, Kraken Nationalist Group near Zoryannoye, Nikolaevka, Kryvaya Luka and Rai Alexandrovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Kamyshevacha in Zaporozhye region, and Ternovka in Nikolaev region have been struck by operational tactical aviation, missile troops and artillery. 4 missile, artillery armament and munitions depots near Seversk and Rygorodok in Donetsk People's Republic and the cities of Kharkov and Izum in Kharkov region have been destroyed. 1 Ukrainian combat vehicle for Uragan MRLS has been destroyed near Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic. 1 US-manufactured counter-battery interception radar and 1 radar for elimination and guidance of Ukrainian S-300 air defense missile system near Lebetyha and Lozovoye in Nikolaev region have been destroyed. 1 Mi-8 helicopter with a sabotage and reconnaissance group on board near the Kinburn logjam in Kherson region has been destroyed by fighter aircraft of the Russian Air Force. 4 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Maxim Gorky, Ukrainka in Kherson region, and Svetloe in Zaporozhye region, as well as 1 Tochka-U ballistic missile near Alexandrovka in Kherson region, have been shot down by air defense means. In addition, 33 shells of MRLS, including 7 projectiles launched by Olha systems, have been intercepted near Kisilovka, Burgunki in Kherson region, and Donetsk, as well as 26 launched by HIMARS near Musykovka, Novaya Kakhovka, Vesoloe, Rakovka, Tomarino, Dekhovka hydroelectric plant, Antonovka Bridge in Kherson region, and Staromlinovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 293 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 1,948 unmanned aerial vehicles, 374 air defense missile systems, 4,921 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 835 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,386 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,552 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.